Today's date is 9 March 2022. Today's topic is the life journey of APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. First of all, my name is Atul Ashok Mughal, and I did complete my graduation in BE Mechanical. I am from Ahmednagar district. So let's go to our topic, the life journey of APJ Abdul Kalam. The Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's full name is Aul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. Uh, he was born 15 October 1931, and died is 27 July 2015. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a great scientist as well as a great uh, as well as the great our president. So he was an Indian aerospace scientist who was served the 18th president of India India from 2002 to 2007. He was born in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied the physics and aerospace engineering. He spent the next 4 decades as a scientist and science administrator. So mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization, means DRDO, and the Indian Space Research Organization means ISRO. So and was immediately involved in India's civilian space programmer and the military missile development efforts. So he thus the come to be known as a missile man or of India for his work and the development of the ballistic missiles and the launch vehicle technologies. So APJ Abdul Kalam APJ Abdul Kalam called as the missile man. So and he also played a organizational, technical, and the political role in India. Pokhran second nuclear test in 1998, the first since the original nuclear test by India in 1974. So this is the first nuclear test or nuclear test in India, and India goes to first India goes to nuclear
Power.
n-
Power.
nuclear power. So Kalam was elected at the 18th president of India in 2022, and with the support of both the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and the then opposition is Indian National Congress. Widely referred to the people president, he returned to his civilian life of education, writing and public service, and after a single term, he was received the several the awards, including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honorable. So while the delivering lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, uh, the Kalam collapsed, died from a attack, cardiac arrest on the 27 July 2015. That time the Kalam age is 83. So including the national levels attend the funeral ceremonies held in his hometown of the after the graduating from Madras Institute of the Technology in 1960. Kalam joined the aeronautical development establishment of the Defense Research and Development Organization as a scientist. After the becoming a member of Defense Research and the Development Service. So he started a career by designing a small hovercraft, and but remained by his choice of a job in DRDO. So this is a so Kalam was also the part of the uh, INSCOR committee working under the Vikram Sarabhai space. So this is some information was on today's topic. Thank you.